What's up YouTube, and welcome to a how-to video on how you can back up your canvases, your palettes and your brushes all to the cloud, and then also bring them back into Procreate as well. Using a cloud storage solution such as Dropbox or Google Drive, which you can get 15 gigabytes for free, or otherwise your iCloud is a great way to make sure your canvases, palettes and brushes are all safe. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share it to iCloud, but it works exactly the same way whether or not you're sharing to iCloud, Google Drive or Dropbox. It's all exactly the same. If you're looking for a specific part of the video, you can use the chapters just down below. So with all that said, let's take a look at how we can do this. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can go ahead and back up a single canvas and multiple canvases. So I've got a single canvas here, and the first thing you want to do is just simply swipe from right to left on it. And then you'll get the option here of share. And if you tap on share, now you'll get the option here to pick an image format. And what you want to do is you want to select the option of Procreate file ideally. And when you tap on this, you'll get a few options. And what we're going to do is we're going to save it to files. And then on the left-hand side over here, we're going to select iCloud. And I've created a folder already called Procreate Backups. So then you can go ahead and give it a new name if you need to, but then you can simply hit save and it will save it into iCloud. But you can do it in batch. So what you can do is when you've got a group of canvases, such as these two here. So if I tap on this stack here, we've got two together. If we go back, I can swipe from right to left on the stack and go to the option of share. I can pick the format, which will be applied to all of them inside of it. And again, we'll pick Procreate. We'll select to save to files. And again, we'll save it in the same location, which is in our iCloud. So it's remembered it from before, but you can tap on iCloud and find the folder that you want to save it to and hit save. And that will upload both documents and you're done. Now bringing them in then is as simple as exporting them like we just did there. Up in the top right, you'll see the option of import, and you want to simply tap on import. We'll go straight to iCloud and we'll find the Procreate file that we made. And in there, you'll find your canvases, and we can simply tap on one of them and we'll drag it in and import it into your gallery. And there you go. Now, if you're backing up everything you've got on your Procreate, you're probably also going to want to back up your palettes, and that is also quite a simple process. We're going to go ahead and open up any canvas. We've got one here. And in here, we're going to go ahead and tap on our colors at the top, and we're going to go to the palettes option down here at the bottom right. So making sure you've got your list here. Now you can't select multiple palettes. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to tap on the three dots of your palette that you want to share. And once you tap on it, you'll get the option here of share, and you'll need to pick a destination again as to where you want to share it to. And again, we'll go to files, we'll go to iCloud, we'll go to the Procreate backups that we found before and hit the option of save. And that palette is in there ready to go. And then bringing that back into Procreate is as easy as going up to your colors. You can hit the plus icon in the top right and you can use new from file. We'll tap on that. We'll then navigate our way to iCloud. We'll make our way into Procreate Backups, and in there you'll find the swatches file, and we can tap on that, and there we go. It will import that, and it will be right at the top of all of our palettes. And then the third thing that you're probably going to want to back up is your brushes. Now you can do this. We can go up to our brush library, and you can find all of your collections of brushes at the top that you may have purchased from other creators or been provided from creators such as myself in tutorials. So I'm going to grab my Halloween stamps collection here. And all you want to do is simply tap on it again, and you'll get the option of share. We can tap on share, and then we can go ahead and select save to files yet again. We'll go over to iCloud, and we'll find the Procreate Backups folder. Once you're in there, you can then hit the option of save, and again, it's going to export. And if you want to just back up a singular brush, you can go up to your brush library. Any brush you can swipe from right to left on, and you'll get the options of share. And when you tap on share, just like before, you'll get the options, and we'll save it to files in exactly the same way. So we'll hit save to files, and we'll save it straight into the folder that we've made and hit save when you're done. And that's it. You can save a simple singular brush as well. And then to bring in some brushes, you can go ahead and hit the plus icon in the top right. You can go to here and go to import. And then we'll go back to iCloud. We'll go to the Procreate Backups folder we made. And in there, you'll find the .brush set file. And you can tap on that, and that will import the whole collection, and it'll be right at the top of your brushes. So that's how you can back them up. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to back up your content. If you did, drop a like down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.